The author suggests that at least some of a number of difficult problems can be understood by. Let's have a look at the passage here, a number of difficult problems. So, if impact and accretion were not still occurring, that means impact and accretion are still occurring actually, but if were not still occurring, it would be hard to come to grips with a number of problems of planetary origin and early evolution. Hard to come to understand. So we understand this difficult problem of planetary origin and early evolution. How? And we need to go back to the paragraph, the beginning of the paragraph. This is fortunate because we can study many aspects of the process of planetary birth by planetary birth is the planetary origin and early evolution by investigation, okay, by investigation of nature of small bodies that still exist. So small bodies that still exist make us to understand the planetary origin and early evolution. Okay, and the effects, the dynamics of their orbital evolution and the effects they produce when they ultimately collide with a planet. So these three things, or the listing the small bodies property or observation done by the scientists, make us to understand the early stage of planetary or the planetary birth. So let's have a look at the answer choices. Extrapolating from observable phenomenon will be the right answer because extrapolating, getting a result from observable phenomenon. What are those phenomena? Those phenomena are small bodies that exist, the dynamics of their orbital evolution, the effects they produce when they ultimately collide with a planet, and the nature of the bodies, small bodies. So answer choice A will be the right answer, but let's have a look at the others. Anticipating the results of the collision of small bodies. It never mentions in the passage. It mentions collision between small bodies and a planet. Collide with a planet, not within each other. So no. Studying the rate of accretion on the planets, never mentioned about this. Observing the internal process of the planets, never mentioned about this. Discounting, not discounting, because it says it's very important. Dynamics of their orbital evolution is very important. So dynamics of how orbits change over the time, but it's not discounting. So the answer choice A is the right answer.